especially in this restaurant, they're known as the spinach house. They come over here, the first thing they want spinach with the beef, spinach with the chicken. This is how you do the spinach. You get a pot, you put olive oil and garlic. Take it out the garlic, and then after you put the flour. You let the flour cook. It turns like to a paste, and then after you throw the spinach that's already cooked, and you put a salt, pepper, and water, and you let it cook until it turns to spinach like this.
When we receive the chicken every morning, we clean it, and before to go to the fire, we passed in a combination of like a dressing, salt crushed with the garlic, olive oil. The result will be that the chicken stays in that combination 10 minutes. After that, it's going to be cooked. It takes about 40 minutes to be cooked in the charcoal grill. When it's cooked and when it's going to be served in the table, when it's ordered by the guest, we add another final dressing, which is a combination of butter, fresh butter, and fresh lemon. Beside that, for the guests that they want to join or to add some spicy, we have our picant chili, piri-piri. Churrasco in Portuguese means to grill by charcoal. Today you can find many churrascos, but our churrasco it's registered and is that name since 46.